World is hyper competitive today. So many people, they want to be a millionaire, multimillionaire, billionaire. There is a race. Everybody's running in the race. Everybody wants to win. So they are following so many internet gurus. And most of them have become internet gurus overnight. Chalo, we are not talking about that. Then they are reading so many books. They are Googling it. They somehow want to be successful, want to earn a lot of money, want to be a millionaire. Okay. The simple advice will change your perception. This few days back, I heard somebody talking about somebody else, and that guy was saying, this guy was super stupid. He has also become successful. When will I become successful? That dude said finally. The dude didn't understand. Perhaps that stupid guy also followed this tactic, which we are going to talk about in this video. The simple tactic. And surprising thing is, people are looking for so many ways. They are trying to understand so many things except this one thing. I've seen so many smart people. They are book smarts. They are very smart. They understand different subjects. They understand this world. They understand the concepts of being successful, except understanding this thing which we are going to talk about. Successful people, super rich people, super successful people, they change permanently. Unsuccessful people, they change temporarily. That's the only difference. Here at Pep Talk India, we talk about public speaking, communication. We talk about so many different aspects, personality grooming, success tips, this tips, those tips. People want to learn everything except the truth. That's the problem. And the truth is, successful people change permanently. If they decide to quit some bad habit, they quit permanently. If they decide to be disciplined, they become disciplined permanently throughout their life. If they decide to invest, if they decide to control their spending habits, they change permanently. Unsuccessful people, they come back on the same track after 3 days or a week or 15 days or a month. We have seen so many cases in front of our eyes here. So guys, if you want to be super successful, you want to be a millionaire, you got to change permanently. If you're decided to do something, then you're going to do that something throughout your life. If you have decided to become disciplined, then you are going to be disciplined throughout your life. If you have learned this financial discipline, then you got to carry this financial discipline throughout your life. If you have decided to quit some bad habit, then you are going to quit this bad habit throughout your life. Whatever you are going to decide or you are deciding today, you have to change permanently. That's the only secret, nothing else. So always understand the difference between permanent change and temporary change. Now you decide whether you have to change permanently or temporarily. God bless. Hey guys, I hope you have understood this concept of permanent change versus temporary change. And if you have liked the video, do not forget to share with everyone. Just one last thing before I disappear. So many people ask me this question. Please tell us the secrets of your transformation. Just one secret. I decided to change permanently. My communication, public speaking, personality, knowledge, everything. All the important things. It's your turn now.